Hello friends, in this video we will learn to solve flood field algorithm program. The task is given a 2D screen, location of a pixel in the screen like x, y and a color is k. Our task is to replace color of the given pixel and all adjacent excluding diagonally adjacent same colored pixels with the given color k. See this example. The position of pixel is 4, 4. X is 4, Y is 4. So this is the position. We need to convert that color and the same value as that element adjacents except diagonal adjacents like 2 having these two adjacents with the value of 2's are these 2's. The 3 2's are having the same value as these 2. Then changing this value as 3, then that adjacent values like these 3 2's values also changed as 3. Then after check this element, check with this element, is there any adjacent as 2? Yes, this is also 2, this is also converted 3. The same way every value which are adjacents of 2's are 2's, those values converted to 3. It is continuously happen up to all adjacent values converted as 3. See this like this, all 2's values are converted as 3's. See this input output with the example of example. Here is the example input. First one is the number of test cases. In every test case we take the 3 lines. First line is the number of rows and number of columns. Second line is the details of the elements in the matrix. Third line is the position, pixel position 0, 1 and color k, like this. Same way all test cases, remaining test cases. We already get the idea about the output with the example, this example. To solve this task, I have written a code. Here is our code. For test cases using t variable, take the value of t. For all test cases using while loop with t minus minus. For number of rows n, number of columns are m. Take those values. Using array A with a 2D array with a size of n and m to store those elements values. Using 2 for loops to get the elements values. Matrix 2D matrix values elements using 2 for loops. Get the details of elements. Then after take the pixel position and color with x, y, k. Take those values. To solve this task, it is good to use q. Q get the pixel position with int int. This I am using pair int int, nothing but pixel position. Q get the pixel position. Q variable. Initially, I push the x, y given position. Take this second test case to get the idea about this code. I am giving 0, 1 to the q, pushing those values. Q having the 0, 1 now. T1 temporary 1 equal to a of 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, a of 0, 1 is the 1. So, T1 is 1 now. A of 0, 1 equal to k. That value is changed as 8. This is converted as 8. Check this one while loop. Q empty equal false. It is true because Q having the 0, 1 value. Using variable T2, same data type as Q friend. T2 get the Q friend values. Int I equal to T2 first. T2 first is 0. I value is 0. J equal to T2 second, 1 value. Then check this 4 if blocks. This 4 if blocks says the 4 adjacents. Initially 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. See this. Minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. This false. This condition is false. This if block not execute. 0 j minus 1 is 0, 0, 0. A of 0, 0 is 1. 1 equal to 1 is true, and j minus 1 is 0 greater than or equal to 0 also true. This if block execute, q push 0, 0 into q. A of 0, 0 is converted to k, nothing but 8. This value 8, this value 8 now. Then check this one. 0, j plus 1 is 2, but 2 less than 2 is false. M value is 2. This if block not execute. Check this one. This A of 1 comma 1 1. A of 1 1 is 1 equal to 1, true, and this 0 plus 1 is 1 less than 2, it is also true. This if block execute, q push 1 1, and A of 1 1 converted to k, nothing but 8. This also 8 now, only this one is not converted. Then after pop that value q, 0 1 is popped out. This pixel details. Q is empty or not? Not empty. Q having the 0 0 and 1 1 details. T2 get the 0 0 from Q friend. I is 0, J is 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1, but minus 1 greater than or equal to 0 is false. This if block not execute. 0, j minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. This is also false. 0 1. 0 1 is 8 already. So 8 not equal to 1. This if block not execute. A of 1 0 is 1 equal to t1 1. This value is true, and 1 less than 2 is true. This is pushed into the queue. 1 1 is 1 0 is pushed into the queue. A of 1 0 equal to k. This is also converted as 8. Q pop 0 0 popped out. Then after see this. This all are t1 value is 1, but no element having the 1 value now. All are converted as 8. So then after q is not empty. Q having the 1 1 and 1 0 details. The both are no if block is not executed because no value is not equal to t1. So that 1 1 is popped out first, then 1 0 also popped out from q. Then q is empty now. This if block comes out. This while block stops execution. For loop executed, two for loops, that matrix executed, then those values are like 4 8s. 4 1s are converted as 4 8s. This is the output. To see our code is right or not, by compile test. Given example, this example, both are different, then check with the submit. Is correct answer with the execution time 0.01. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.